Hello. In this video, I will show you a free video AI generator that can give you videos without watermark. Now, it's a very easy process. So in this process, we will be using 3 websites. And if you have a script, then 2 websites. So the first website will be ChatGPT over here because ChatGPT is going to provide us with a script or a story if you're looking for that. Then we are going to use Runway ML over here to getting the video. And after that, we will be using Canva to compile the entire video itself. Now, firstly, what you have to do is go to ChatGPT and get your story. So as you can see, I have already created my own. So once you have your story, go to your Canva, then open the video panel over here. Now, once your video panel is ready, go back to your story, take the first scene that you want. Just simply copy scene by scene over here. So this part is going to be the first scene of the story. So copy it, go to Runway ML over here. Now, create a free account over here. It's completely free. And then open Gen 2 text to image and text to video feature, which you'll find right over here. Just simply open it. Now, click on the text feature right over here. And then paste your scene script right over here. Now, once you have your lines right over here, go to camera motion, then choose your motion that will happen inside the video. Once you do that, go to the motion brush section and choose the type of motion that you want. So you can drag and drop your own motion if you want to. Now, after that, go to the add style right over here and choose the style of the video that you want. It might be 3D render, cartoon, realistic image, or a lot of different type of video format that you can find right over here. So in my case, I want the story in a graphical novel style, which will be right over here. So just simply choose the style that you prefer and then just simply click on generate. Now, if you're using this on a free account, you will not be able to do a quick preview because it will require a premium pass. But if you want to just simply generate the video entirely, click on generate and the video should be generated automatically. Now, after you have your newly modified scene, and if you're satisfied with that one, all you have to do is just click on the download option, which you will find at the very top right hand side corner of the video. Click on that option and the download will begin automatically, as you can see right over here. So click on start download and download the video. Now, once your video is downloaded, just simply drag and drop your video onto the Canva timeline, which you will find right over here. Just simply drag and drop it. And now, after that, just simply drag and drop your first scene onto the canvas right over here. And then you will have your first scene. Now, once you have your video, it's time to add your audio. So you can again use an AI generated audio or you can do a voiceover yourself. It's totally up to you. So just like that, just simply create multiple scenes. So as you can see, this is the first scene that I just created. Then according to your script, create your second scene, then third, then fourth, and so on and so forth. So keep on creating the scenes and then just simply complete your timeline over here. So let's say, for example, if you have a second scene, all you have to do is drag and drop onto the second plus option right over here. And that will add a second screen. Now you can just simply adjust the length of the video just like that by dragging this option right over here. And that will adjust the length of the video. And if you want to delete a part of a video, just simply highlight the video by clicking on it and then press delete on your keyboard and the video part will be deleted. Now, once you have your video and audio all ready in the timeline, it's time to download the video. So click on share, then download. Then download the video as MP4 over here and then click on download. And then the video will be downloaded automatically. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.